Let's talk about our Curvy Bag. This is another exciting product that makes anything that you want to do possible. For example, if you have a doctor's office and it's a rainy day and people come in with their wet umbrella, you can simply put the umbrella in the Curvy Bag. There's multiple sizes. You have large and small. You could dress it up. You could put some bedazzling type of stuff on this product, but this is a two-piece template set, large and small. You simply put it on the fabric, you cut it out. You can put sizing in it. There's so many different things you can do. You buy the templates, you follow the written instructions, and you have a really cool project. One of the great, fantastic features that I love about this is being able to put potted flowers inside the home and outside the home. You could use this in a doctor's office. You could use this for toys in your child's room. There's just so many things that you can do, especially if you put sizing in it. What a really, really cool project. Fast, fun, and easy, especially if you want to make gifts. To get this product, you go to martellinotions.com or hit the link in the description box below.